Speaking of on top of the world, we didn't get the chance to speak about this earlier. The World Athletic Championships 2023 took place in Budapest, Hungary, and that was August 19th through the 27th. And Jamaica represented for the Caribbean, leading the way with coming in fourth with total medal wins, which is impressive because there were a lot of big names on that list.
I'm always proud to see Jamaica go above and beyond in any of these races because they continue to make their name across the world. And even when we don't come in first, they are great sports. So big up to all the Caribbean countries and all of the countries that won for the past World Athletic Championships.
Watch out. I think the 200-meter record is